Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility. This is where iOS groups display controls. Once there, tap Vision and find Zoom. You do this because Zoom lives in accessibility and not in display settings. Make sure your device is unlocked and responsive. If you're using Face ID, glance to unlock. Now tap Zoom to view the toggle and options. This first action exposes the controls you'll change in the next steps. You see the zoom toggle at the top. Switch it off to remove the magnifier immediately. If you prefer keeping zoom but limiting it, reduce maximum zoom or set zoom region to full screen so fewer gestures trigger it. Make sure follow focus and zoom controller are set how you want. Turning the controller off reduces accidental activation. Once adjusted, exit back to the home screen and test pinch and double tap gestures to confirm behavior has changed. After turning zoom off, you should test by pinching and double tapping with 3 fingers. If the screen no longer magnifies, you're done. If zoom persists, restart your iPhone to clear any cache state. A reboot often resolves stuck toggles. If problems continue, open Settings Accessibility and choose Reset Accessibility Settings to restore defaults. This affects only accessibility options. Finally, make sure iOS is up to date, because software bugs can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.